Welcome back to the series on project development with Node.js. I'm Sanket Singh, and in this video, we are going to continue our discussion on the Tanishque clone app. So, in the last video, we have already covered the basic data modeling part. Let's just quickly commit this so that we can have a track for it. So, let's say git status. Okay, so git add all, git commit minus m, added models for product and category. Cool. We can do, okay, cool. Now, we are going to set up our service that will be actually having the logic to manipulate the models. So let's just create a new folder. Services. Inside the services, let's create a new file, category service.js, and another file, product service.js. Okay. So for category service, first of all, we need to get the category model. So category is equals to require model slash category. And okay, so using this, we will be able to actually create some categories, right? We'll be writing APIs that can help us to create some categories. So let's do module.exports. Okay, so const add category or create category. Okay, we'll get some data. Let's do a bit of try catch. Say console.log error. Okay, and then what we can do here is let's just quickly have an arrow here. Okay, this should be an asynchronous function, and we can say const new category is equals to this. So inside the category we need to have a name, so we should say data.name, and then we can say const category is equals to new, I would say await new category, and we should pass, I would say, new category object dot save. I guess this should be good to go. Let me just quickly check it. Okay, yeah, I believe this should be good to go. At last, we can just return the category. Okay, cool. So this create category we can export. Then let's add another function, const delete category is equals to we'll get, let's say, a category ID. Let's do one more thing. Let's add an ID into categories. So let's go to model category.js. Let's add one more parameter, ID here, which is of a type number and required true and unique true. The same thing we should add to a product, so that product also has got a unique ID. Okay, so for product also we have added. Now we'll be passing an ID. This will be an asynchronous function, right? Now we can say try catch if some error came up, console.log error. Okay, and then what we can do is, let's say, const category is equals to await category dot find by ID and delete. I believe this should be the function, right? Just a second. Yep, delete find by we can say find one and delete also. That should also work. And we should find by ID, so ID is ID. Okay, and we can say return category. Okay, so this will help us to delete a category. Then we can have a function const get all categories. That will be an asynchronous function. This will be console.log error. This should be a simple one. Const category is equals to category.find. That's it. We'll return all the categories. Return category. We can also have a function. So let's first of all export this function. We can have one more function that can just give us the detail about any one category. So get category. It will get an ID and try catch console.log error and const category is equals to category dot find by ID. We can pass the ID. It will return the category and we'll say return category. So this get category is also done. Okay. Now one last function that we should add is const update category. Right. This should be an asynchronous function. This should get an ID for like the ID on which we have to actually update. And let's say we'll get the data property that we want to update. Again, try catch error console.log error. Right. We can say const category is equals to category dot find one and update. Okay, so it should find it on the base of the ID. And what parameter it should update? It should update the data parameter. Right. And one more thing that we can do here is, let me just quickly check. I believe this find one and update is going to always return actually the old category, right, that was before actually updating. In order to get the new category, this find one and update function expects another parameter which is called as new parameter. So let's just quickly add it. So let's just add something like new true. This should be new true. Okay, and this should return you the new category, right? Okay, I guess this is category and I believe this is now consistent. We should also export this update category. Okay, so our service for category is almost ready, right? Let's just quickly commit this. So git add all, added category service. Okay, so we have pushed this much code, right? Now in the next set of videos we are going to add our product service, and then we are also going to add the controllers for the corresponding services. That being said, let's just wrap it up here. We are going to meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care guys, bye bye, and thank you.